What is property management?
Property management is the operation, control, and oversight of commercial or residential real estate. An individual owner could manage their own property, however, they often hire a professional to manage the property. The professional property manager acts on behalf of the owner to preserve the value of the property and to generate income for the owner of the property. Let's look at an example. This is Bill. He owns this lovely building. This is Stephen. He is a professional property manager. Bill would like to hire Stephen to manage his building. So Stephen signs a property management agreement with Bill, the owner of the property. Stephen is a member of the Texas Association of Realtors, or TAR, so they will be signing the TAR Residential Leasing and Property Management Agreement. It is an employment agreement between Bill, the owner, and Stephen, the broker. Both Bill and Stephen have signed the contract, which makes Stephen an independent contractor. Stephen takes over managing the building for Bill, so now Bill is free to engage in his crime-fighting hobby. That is property management.